everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make mini cinnamon sugar donuts. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 5 tablespoons of butter softened, a half a cup of sugar, 1 large egg, a half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, and then for the topping we need 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, let's preheat our oven to 325 and spray our donut pan with cooking spray. I'm using the minis, but you could use the big if you would like. Okay, next we are going to cream together our butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it is nice and fluffy. Okay, next we are going to add our vanilla, egg, and milk and just mix that to combine. Okay, that looks great. As you can see, it does look like curdled milk, but that is how it's supposed to look. So next, let's add in our salt and baking powder. Okay, now we are going to add in our flour a little at a time and just mix it to combine. Do not over mix it. All right, that looks great. So now we are just going to transfer that to a piping or ziploc bag and put it into our donut pan. All right, my first batch is ready to go into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And I just filled them. It says half full, but you know, I just went around one time with my piping bag. Alright, my first batch is all ready. You just need to mix up your cinnamon and sugar. The recipe does not call for butter, but they weren't sticking. The cinnamon sugar wasn't sticking, so I melted some butter in the microwave and I just put it on one side, dipped it in one side, and then dip it in the cinnamon sugar, and it works out perfect. Okay, all of my donuts are ready to go. I did have to use a lot more cinnamon and sugar than it called for in the recipe, so when I post it, I will make those adjustments. But they turned out very good, and let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Taste Tester, here you go.
Thanks.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.